been quite a while since AccessAdvisr actually went to the O2, but I thought I'd put this video review up. It's only a couple of minutes. Before we got there, one of the times we took an accessible riverboat up the Thames from Greenwich and back to Waterloo and then back for the concerts. I've been to the O2 on a few occasions, but the ones I'm talking about today are when I went to see the group Rush and then also for one of the last visits of the Monty Python tour. The O2 is very accessible, I have to say, and you'll see the review at the end of this short video. So when we went to see Rush, as you can see, we had some really good seats, quite high up and quite far back. There were plenty of lifts to get access to the higher areas, so that really wasn't a problem. As you can see, during the concert, large screens, had a really good view. And the thing I'd like to point out is that, yes, there were people standing up in front of us, which I don't mind at all, but they didn't obscure our views. The rake of the seats was such that anybody who stood in front couldn't get in the way. If you overdid it on the liquid refreshments, there were also plenty of accessible toilets, and there was a changing places when I went there. We also had a look around the restaurants and the bars downstairs, and as you can see, I bumped into the Dead Parrot. All very level access, all very smooth. The staff were really helpful in helping us get around the building. So I think 5 out of 5 for me, the O2 gets, and as you can see on this review that I did, you get 5 out of 5 for staff helpfulness and 5 out of 5 for ease of access. But what about the features? Well, I listed some of them. As I said, there was accessible parking. There were changing places toilets. There were also accessible loos. I had lifts to get to the seats. Step-free access, didn't encounter a step anywhere. And finally, there's my review at the end, which I basically recounted what I said here. Hope you enjoyed this video. That's all for now. Bye.